Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the easiest tiramisu. This delightful Italian dessert is simpler to prepare than you might think and will achieve incredible flavor with minimal fuss. We'll cover all the essential ingredients and steps, ensuring your tiramisu turns out perfectly. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delicious, no-bake treat. Let's dive right into the preparation. First, brew about 1 cup of strong espresso or coffee and let it cool completely. This is crucial to prevent soggy ladyfingers. Next, take your ladyfingers and quickly dip each one into the cooled coffee. Remember, a quick dip is key. You don't want them to become saturated. Then, arrange these coffee-dipped ladyfingers in a single, even layer at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. This forms the delicious base.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this tiramisu guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, for all your cooking and baking needs, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for keeping recipes handy. Check the description below for the link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. In a bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light in color and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 1 pound of mascarpone cheese until it's just combined and smooth. In a separate, clean bowl, beat 3 egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Carefully fold these beaten egg whites into your mascarpone mixture, creating a light and airy cream. With your cream ready, it's time to assemble. Spread about half of your mascarpone cream evenly over the first layer of coffee-dipped ladyfingers. Next, add another layer of quickly dipped ladyfingers on top of the cream. Finally, cover everything with the remaining mascarpone cream, smoothing the top. For the best flavor and texture, cover your tiramisu and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or, ideally, overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.